To obtain a worded check from Credit Karma, start by logging into your account through their website or mobile app, using your credentials to sign in. Once you have accessed your account, navigate to the Credit Karma Money Spend section to find your account and routing numbers, which are typically listed in the Account Details section. Since Credit Karma does not provide traditional worded checks, you will need to create one manually. You can use a blank check or download a template online. Writing "void" in large letters across the front of the check, and including your account and routing numbers if required for verification. Alternatively, you can use a debit direct deposit form, which many digital banks, including Credit Karma, offer as a downloadable option within the account settings. This form contains your routing and account numbers and can sometimes serve as an alternative to a worded check. By following these steps, you can create a workaround for a worded check from Credit Karma.